Let's learn how you can send fake snaps on Snapchat without media upload. I will show you this tutorial on iPhone, but you can follow up with any other device because method is the same. So I will show you a quick tutorial without any download that can help you if you want to send something fake on someone. So what you're gonna do is to open Snapchat, and once you open this camera, you'll just have to click on media to open your pictures. Now you will have to select the picture you want to fake upload. I will take this one for example. Now when you're here, you'll have to click on this pencil underline icon. That's gonna open a photo edit. And as you can see here, now you'll get these scissors. Click on this to make it a sticker. And it says outline an object. To make a sticker, you'll just have to outline entire photo. And once you're done, you'll have to go to the person you want to send Snapchat to. For example, I will take my Alfred, my bot. Once you do that, you'll just have to click on camera. So you send a red delivery snap. And you'll just have to click on snap, and before you click on send, you will have to go to stickers and click on scissors, so it opens the image you made on a sticker. Just zoom it so it can cover entire picture and send it to someone. And as you can see, it sent us red delivered and not as picture in chat.